Joseph and Noah from MakerBot.org.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Would you tell our audience what this partnership is about and what this week has been like for you? This 1 week intensive with students, 3D printing and stop motion animation.
So, my name is Joseph Weisgold. I'm also from the MakerBot Foundation. This is Noah Tager, and along with Liz Aram, we've been teaching this course here for now 6 weeks. It's been a great opportunity for us to conduct some experimental lessons that we hope eventually to share using innovative new technologies, 3D scanning, 3D printing, 3D modeling. In this class specifically, we were focused on 3D scanning using technologies like 123D Catch and the Connect to use Reconstruct Me, and making stop motion animations. So talking about narrative, how to make a compelling story, how to communicate effectively visually, and using programs such as iStopMotion and iMovie to do that. So it's really been a joy. I think the students had a great time and feel much more comfortable now approaching these new technologies.
Yeah, I mean, here at the center, we really value teamwork, collaboration, mentorship, hands-on activities. Would you be able to talk about what you've seen here this week in terms of those values?
Yeah, of course. So I'd say the programs were largely autonomous. The students were working very independently, fulfilling their own agendas and creating works that they can truly feel ownership over. We were, of course, very involved in their process, helping them along the way, but it was very important to us that as a team they felt ownership over their projects and they could come away with something that they could show off and with new skills that they could use on their own time.
Mm-hmm. And Noah, would you tell us a little bit about your involvement here?
Sure, so I'm an intern with the MakerBot Foundation, and I've been helping out at Bot Camp for the last 3 weeks, assisting Joseph in the classroom and helping to troubleshoot the MakerBots that we have and helping to teach the kids the various different forms of technology that we've been using in the classroom.
Mm-hmm. So we're excited to show you the films that our students have made this week. We're ready to show you our first film. It's called Utensils versus Tools. Here we go. we'd love to introduce the students who made the film. You could, tell the audience your
I'm
name.
Cole.
I'm Justin.
Now, Justin and Cole, would you maybe give a little synopsis of what you were thinking about earlier this week and how you came up with creating this?
Well, before we were thinking about like a war, but then we didn't really want to do it with people, so we decided to narrow it down to like objects, fighting each other. Yeah.
And what about the film techniques that you use?
Well, we gathered our materials before we started to shoot, and we had to gather our ideas, and then brought it all out, and then started shooting.
Mhm. And elements of personification?
So like we moved the objects slowly so it looked like people walking, and then we made them do like lively things that usually humans do.
What did you enjoy most about this week? Maybe learning from your instructors here,
Probably
teamwork.
learning how to 3D print an object and to scan an object.
Yeah, was it your first time?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What about you?
My favorite was learning how to edit the objects we tried to catch using 123D catch, and changing it so it looked realistic.
Yeah, and just for the last question, I'd love to hear, how is this different from your traditional classroom?
Well, you have a lot more freedom. You can choose what you want to do. There's some free time in between to get to know who's teaching you, rather than just being in the standard classroom.
Mhm.
And there's no like set course like you have to do this. It's not like there's step by step, but then as he said, there's more freedom and more hands-on.
Yeah, I mean, we're really excited that you were able to create something on your own together. And it's just this week that's just been an intensive focus on motion and your own creations. Is there anything else you'd like to share with the audience?
Well, we had to 3D catch an object, and that was me. So they had to scan me and edit me.
Like yourself.
Yes.
That was a very fun part.
Oops, I didn't bring a part.